the Beast, Exhaust, Cat Delete, and Catalysator, and of course MartinTheVlogger. So this one's gonna be a good video. What we're gonna do, we will focus on this brand new ECHO Series from RLS, from Ricky. We're gonna have it, or we have it on the shop for F3 and Riker at the moment, and we're gonna throw it on the Beast. So in today's video, we will talk about it a little because it has one new feature. Two, you will hear it and we will compare it with my Punisher with the RLS. You will be able to hear it with the Punisher, compare it with the Punisher with Lamonster Pipe. We will not do that shit. And of course, 2022 rules, no bullshit around, straight to the point, and no video ads on YouTube. How cool is that? Now, two more things. At the end of the video, there's gonna be one secret exhaust. Nobody else has it in the world, and most probably I'll be selling it. I'm not sure yet. Two, there is one promo. So for October 2020, just watch till the end. Now, enough of this. Let's get started. Before I will really start the bike, let me go through what I have here. Many of you know me, I'm an exhaust freak, but many of you know my videos, many of you don't. So let me just go through the items here, and I will tell you what two setups I'm running through the season. So of course, this is the Catalysator. It's something like 6 kilograms heavy, so what it is, like almost 12 pounds, 11 pounds, something like that. In case 1 kilogram, it's almost like 2 pounds. Is it correct? I don't know. What we have here, in case you would like to replace that, we have Cat Delete here. There are two most popular Cat Deletes here. One is Lamonster Pipe. I have it on my shop, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. So for Europe, the largest European shop, and this is the loudest combo you can have. Like Lamonster Pipe is the loudest pipe, loudest Cat Delete you can buy. Together with Punisher Exhaust, it's just brutal, and you will hear that. Actually, hear it now. Now, this is a Cat Delete from RLS, and I'm always going for a more expensive option. Most of the time I have this one on my shop. It's because it's a black coating, and it's not because of the color. I don't mind, because you can simply see it on the bike. But it has a special coating, and it keeps the heat within the pipe. It's for better airflow. It also has this middle bulky part that creates a back pressure. So for me, that's my preferred Cat Delete that I'm running. That thing is not only like not creating sound, that thing also overheats on your bike. So yeah, I'm not running with that. Now what we have here, you have heard how the Lamonster Pipe sound. Now let's hear how the RLS sounds with the Punisher. And what I'm having, I'm riding with two setups through the season. Like this, I'm running when I'm alone, when I would like to enjoy the road. But of course, I'm also having this tour and rental agency. So tourson3.com, in case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels, visit tourson3.com or write me to these contact details. In case I do not have enough Rikers, I go on my F3, and in that case, I put the Crusher series on. It's like, I love that exhaust. It's like John Rambo has left something in my shop. And also when I'm riding with saddlebags, mostly you will see me riding with that Crusher series because it looks just better and it's a little bit quieter. Now, what we are focusing today on is this ECHO series. And if you know Ricky is very well known. That's actually Twin Chaos. Ricky is very well known for these type of exhausts that they are open. They have just bafflers inside. But this ECHO series is the first. I never heard it. I have it for F3 and for Rikers, as I said, most probably, but I never heard it before, and this is the first closed, I would say, exhaust that Ricky has come up with, as far as I know. Plus, it's the first exhaust that has these nice covers, look like Predator or something. And I was asking Ricky to come up with something like this cover, because sometimes I just don't like this, you know. From some angles, it just doesn't look that nice. So Ricky, what he promised me, he will be coming with, because this one it's directly welded on the bike, on the bike, on the exhaust. But he promised me that he will come with something, or the same option that everybody who are running RLS exhaust will be able to buy, just that cover or shield, or call it as you like. Now, let me throw it on the bike, and actually, let's hear it. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. It's full, of course, complete contrast to the Punisher, the minimalistic exhaust that I'm using. This one is just full on the bike. It looks epic. From the back, 2 pipes at the back. Awesome. You know what that reminds me of? I don't know if that was inspiration from Ricky to start with this, but RS and RSS with that bulky Accra Porridge exhaust, they sound beautiful. Those 998 engines, they have sound beautiful with that Accra. What about this one? Cannot wait. But tell me, what do you think? What do you think about that sheet cover? I think it maybe can go a little bit bigger. Ricky, you maybe can go a little bit bigger. I'm not sure, it's your call, but I love it. It's simply not a plain tube there. That's something I like. And the whole exhaust, it just looks full on the bike. Love it. So what do you think? For me, the look wise of the exhaust is very nice. It's full on the bike. That's something I'm sometimes missing on my bike. Even though I like Punisher, I like the minimalistic look, and I will stick with the minimalistic look. However, this one, it will win hearts of many Spyder owners. Now, as I told you, this one will be most probably Ricky has it also for RTs, F3Ts, and I have it on my shop for Riker already. And especially on Riker, and now I'm coming to the second point, not the look only, but of course the sound. Sound is not that, it's quieter. It's much quieter, and it's really like that kind of closed exhaust. So in case my bike, the Beast, barks because it has rich fuel, so it barks. It even shoots flames sometimes. So in case that's something what your bike is doing, it will be much less noticeable. What I like, it's very comfortable. It's pleasure to your ears, but it's not that loud. So again, it will win for those that don't want to be screaming loud, but they would like to have an upgrade to the sound. Especially, I think this exhaust for me will win hearts of many Riker riders, because on Rikers you cannot shift, and super loud exhausts, in case you're not super big freak, at least for me, super loud exhausts on Rikers, they are a little bit too much for me, especially on highways. So this one, it's something like our Carpo which I have for Rikers. It's like, it's just there. It's beautiful. Now guys, enough of this. I have two things that I have promised you. One, it's something that nobody has. Have a look. That's a sick project, I would call it. It's a red frame exhaust from RLS. It's the Assassin series for F3T and for RT models. Like, it's gonna be only one made, and it's absolutely crazy. So check my shop. Only one example, F3T or RT versions, red exhaust. How sick is that? So that was quite something you wasn't expecting, most probably. I was just messing around, and I was like, give it a try. So we went with that. Now the second thing is the promo, and MartinTheVlogger never give discounts. I don't do discounts because I'm working too much, and I value my time. But for October only, for October of 2022, in case you are watching in October and you would like to buy an exhaust that is based in Europe, use Exhaust 5, and that's discount code for 5%. I never do discounts, so 5% for ya. Now, special treatment. If you are already registered on my website, so MartinTheVlogger.com, if you are a member, if you click on register, you will receive a special treatment. You will receive 6%. So whoever is a member already, you have received an email from me that whole October, it's 6% on all exhausts, Cat Delete, on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Now guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, buy yourself your exhaust or not, it's your call, but always have fun. And come to Bratislava, Slovakia, Vienna, Prague, or Hungary, Budapest to join me on my tours, because they are badass. Toursont3.com.